Hi, I'm Teresa.
And I'm Terry.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. You might remember from our studio tour, if you saw it, that I had all my stamps in two big bins. One for wood and one for clear. Not the greatest system. So I told you that I needed to do something about that. Well, guess what? I did something about it. Well, at least I started to do something about it. What I did is I took all my text stamps and I separated them from the picture stamps. So I've got wooden stamps in here, I've got foam stamps, and I've got clear stamps. I'll show you first the wooden stamps. I put those all in medium-sized zipper bags and just labeled them. So those were really quick and easy to do. So I've got them separated by category. Thank you cards, birthday cards, they're just all in there. On this side, I've got a plastic divider in here. Actually, what it is, I'll just lift it out a little bit. This was a cake box from my birthday cake, my birthday was in April. And it fits just perfectly in this bin. So that's terrific. And so on one side, it's about 12 inches long. On one side, I've got a few more wooden stamps. So these are small ones, so they just fit into the snack bags. And then I have a foam stamp set that I was able to keep in its original packaging, except for the top, I just cut it off so it would fit in here. Now this was the thing that took a lot of work, but it's going to save me a lot of time. And what I did is I took these little snack bags and cut a 3x6 approximately piece of paper to go in there. I stamped onto the piece of paper the stamps that are in this. So I've got the stamps, they're on acetate, just one side of acetate in the bag. Now I don't have to fool with those little self-sealing packages and pull out the cardboard and everything. It takes up just so little space. So I've got like all these stamps in this small area. This is like 6 inches by, I think maybe about 4 or 5 inches, and I've got like almost all my clear stamps. Well, all my clear text stamps anyways are all in this one little area. So now I can just go to this bin when I want text for anything. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to organize the other stamps I have, because I still have all my picture stamps to do. If it's different than this, then I'll do another video. If it's basically the same, then, it's no sense doing another video. Anyways, leave a comment if you think this was helpful, or if you have any other ideas for storing your stamps. And thank you for visiting us on our thank you for visiting us on our YouTube channel. I'm Teresa.
I'm Terry.
And we're TNT Artspirations. Bye.
Bye.